In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a single arm TRX high row. Now, firstly, because we're doing a single arm exercise, you need to set the TRX up into single arm or single hand mode. The reason for this is we don't want the TRX to slip when we're doing an exercise that's only with one hand, which could create an injury. So I want you to look at the foam handles here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take one foam handle and we're going to put it through the triangle part of the TRX. So this foam handle through here. Once we've done that, you're going to place this foam handle through the triangle like so, of the other one. Create tension by pulling back, and now you've got it in single arm mode, so you are ready to go. Now that's set up for later. What I want to cover now is a front-on view of what you're going to be doing. So with a single arm high row, your feet are going to be hip width apart. Your hand that you're rowing with is going to be higher than the position of your shoulder. What I then want you to do, imagine that your elbow is coming out and back. So out and back. Your hand is going to be in line with your ears. So when you are pulling, you're trying to make sure that that foam handle is in line with the ear, okay? So let's go into the exercise. Create the tension on the TRX. Feet at hip width apart, and then start to lean back. You want to be center onto the TRX, don't stand off center. From here, you're going to be in a palm down position, so the palms are facing the floor. Once I've now got myself in a position where I'm completely diagonal, what I'm going to do is I'm going to evaluate how hard that is. If it's really difficult, you can step back to make the exercise easier. You can also step forwards to make it harder. So I'll show you on the camera. If I step forwards, I've created a more abrasive angle, bracing the core, looking up to where the TRX is suspended from. Hands are going to finish in line with ear, back to where I started. Retracting my shoulder blades back as I do so, and each repetition I'm trying to keep my body straight, so I don't want to be letting my body shift one way or the other. Keep your core nice and tight and try and keep a nice straight body with each repetition. That's how to do a single arm high row on a TRX. Repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.